Impeachment is the process by which a legislative body or other legally constituted tribunal initiates charges against a public official for misconduct. Impeachment may be understood as a unique process involving both political and legal elements. In Europe and Latin America, impeachment tends to be confined to ministerial officials as the unique nature of their positions may place the minister beyond the reach of the law to prosecute, or their misconduct is not codified into law as an offense except through the unique expectations of their high office. Both peers and commoners have been subject to the process, however. From 1990 to 2020, there have been at least 272 impeachment charges against 132 different heads of state in 63 countries. Most democracies involve the courts in some way. In Latin America, which includes almost 40% of the world's presidential systems, 10 presidents from 6 countries were removed from office by their national legislatures via impeachments or declarations of incapacity between 1978 and 2019. National legislations differ regarding both the consequences and definition of impeachment, but the intent is nearly always to expeditiously vacate the office. In most nations, the process begins in the lower house of a bicameral assembly who bring charges of misconduct. Then the upper house administers a trial and sentencing. Most commonly, an official is considered impeached after the lower house votes to accept the charges. And impeachment itself does not strip the official of any powers. Because impeachment involves a departure from the normal constitutional procedures by which individuals achieve high office. In the United States, impeachment is a remedial rather than penal process. It intended to effectively maintain constitutional government by removing individuals unfit for office. 8 persons subject to impeachment and removal remain liable and subject to indictment, trial, judgment and punishment, according to law. Impeachment is provided for in the constitutional laws of many countries including Brazil, France, India, Ireland, the Philippines, Russia, South Korea, and the United States. It is distinct from the motion of no confidence procedure available in some countries whereby a motion of censure can be used to remove a government and its ministers from office. The word impeachment likely derives from Old French impetia from Latin word impeder, expressing the idea of catching or ensnaring by the foot, with derivations from the Latin impetor. The process was first used by the English Good Parliament against William Latimer, 4th Baron Latimer, in the second half of the 14th century. Following the English example, the constitutions of Virginia, Massachusetts and other states thereafter adopted the impeachment mechanism, but they restricted the punishment to removal of the official from office. In West Africa, kings of the Ashanti Empire who violated any of the oaths taken during his or her installment were destooled by kingmakers. For instance, if a king punished citizens arbitrarily or was exposed to be corrupt, he would be destooled. Destoolment entailed kingmakers removing the sandals of the king and bumping his buttocks on the ground 3 times. Once destooled from office, his sanctity and thus reverence are lost as he cannot exercise any powers he had as king. This includes chief administrator, judge, and military commander. The now previous king is disposed of the stool, swords and other regalia which symbolize his office and authority. He also loses the position as custodian of the land. However, despite being destooled from office, the king remains a member of the royal family from which he was elected. In Brazil, as in most other Latin American countries, impeachment refers to the definitive removal from office. The president of Brazil may be provisionally removed from office by the Chamber of Deputies and then tried and definitely removed from office by the Federal Senate. The Brazilian constitution requires that 2/3 of the deputies vote in favor of the opening of the impeachment process of the president and that 2/3 of the senators vote for impeachment. State governors and municipal mayors can also be impeached by the respective legislative bodies. Article 2 of Law N. 1.079, from the 10th of April 1950, or the law of impeachment, states that the crimes defined in this law, even when simply attempted, are subject to the penalty of loss of office. with disqualification for up to 5 years for the exercise of any public function, to be imposed by the Federal Senate in proceedings against the President of the Republic, Ministers of State, Ministers of the Supreme Federal Tribunal, or the Attorney General. Initiation. An accusation of a responsibility crime against the President may be brought by any Brazilian citizen. However, the President of the Chamber of Deputies holds prerogative to accept the charge, which if accepted will be read at the nay.